Okay, so I want to show you how to withdraw from your LunarCrush wallet. So let's say you've been giving opinions, you've been using the website, and you've been accumulating your Lunar. So what you should do is you go to your profile under Lunar token, you see the summary, your wallet, and what you have. You go under your wallet, make sure you keep claiming your Lunar, because when you're every Saturday by 1 a.m. you get your weekly bonus. If you are in level 2 and above, you get weekly bonus. So you make sure you claim your Lunar within 3 months. If not, your unclaimed Lunar will go back to the reward pool. So you keep claiming and claiming them. You keep on getting weekly bonuses, and depending on your level. So, and then your daily reward, your daily rewards go to your wallet. But then you need to withdraw your Lunar to you need to create a wallet. For example, now look at this wallet. Now this is a wallet that you create on the Lunar, where you withdraw it to. You withdraw it from the account into the Lunar wallet address. But then, to be on the safer side, you create a Zilliqa wallet. Remember, you need to integrate it to your profile. You install a Zilliqa wallet. Install it to your, you can have it in your phone. And then you connect it, you click that connect button that I showed you in the previous video, and then you withdraw your Lunar to it, because that way it's non-custodial. Because this other Zilliqa wallet that is on the Lunar platform, it's centralized. So to be on the safer side, you withdraw your Lunar to a decentralized wallet. You withdraw it. For example, now this is claim. If I want to claim this now, I just simply click a claim, but I can only claim like 10, and I pay a gas fee of 10% of a claim fee, and then I put in my wallet passphrase. When you create a wallet that is existing on the Lunar, or your Lunar wallet, it comes with a 5-word passphrase that you need to keep very safe. That's what you put here as a password, and you click next, and then you wait for it to appear in your Lunar wallet. But to stay safe, you need to integrate, you need to connect a completely non-custodial wallet, Zilliqa wallet. There's ZUPay. You can use ZUPay. ZUPay is a non-custodial Zilliqa wallet. You can use it. That's ZILPAY, and then you connect it to here. I think I showed you under your profile. You're supposed to see under your profile, you see a list of things that you need to do to boost up your profile, and you see a place to connect ZUPay or your Zilliqa wallet. And then when you claim this, so if you now want to withdraw, you go under send, and you select the quantity that you want to send, and you go to next, and then it's going to take you to, like, this one is now it's like 0.8, and it's going to take you to, of course I need more, so I'm sending it to, this is it now, this is the wallet I'm using now. This is what I'm using now. It's my default wallet, so I can send from this account, but then it's slow. So, but it's, if you have like quantity you want to send, you click next, and then it takes you to where you put in, you select the wallet you're sending it to, which you've already connected, and it will move from the Lunar wallet down to that ZUPay wallet, and that's that. It's actually very simple. If you want to receive Lunr, this is the address. You copy this address and paste it to the wallet that you're sending from, and then you send the quantity you want to send. Easy peasy. So you can also access different influencers in crypto and their different opinions too, different information about different cryptocurrencies, like this and okay. So it's actually very 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 simple, like very 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 simple, very simple. So what is the most confusing thing for you using the LunarCrush platform, the wallet, the mobile app, or the website app, or anything? You can leave a question below, and don't forget to check out our website at www.valucopglobal.com. See you in my next video.